Hello, this is Cori with SHR News reporting from Lambertville, New Jersey with more news on cells alive. Our investigative scientists have recently uncovered more knowledge on the organelle, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Information on the structure, functions, and dysfunctions of this organelle have been in research over the past few months. Our scientists are now clear on what went wrong with this specific organelle, and the new information has been approved to be released. What has happened to the organelle is very significant, and SHR News has the entire story. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is often forgotten, for most cells contain very little of this organelle. Although the names of the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum may be similar, their structures and functions are significantly different. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is an arrangement of tubules, vessels, and sacs. There are no ribosomes attached to the surface of the membrane, making it appear smooth. It is attached to the nuclear envelope of the cell and is surrounded by cytoplasm. Although there are many other parts to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, our scientists conclude that these are the main points. There are many functions of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, but similar to the structure, our scientists have only mentioned the vital points. One of the main functions of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is that it builds lipids such as cholesterol. This organelle produces estrogen and testosterone in the ovaries and testes, and releases calcium in the skeletal and heart muscle cells. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a type of storage for key enzymes in the cell. Our scientists have overall concluded that the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is vital for producing important substances for our bodies. Although the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is useful for many of our body's functions, it of course has its flaws. Our investigative scientists have reported that a malfunction in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum could be a leading cause for Alzheimer's disease. Specifically, brain cells that have a dysfunction in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum express the genotype for Alzheimer's disease. The amount of platelet membrane fluidity the patient has determines if the defect in smooth endoplasmic reticulum resulted in Alzheimer's disease. Because of our studies, it is important to inform all viewers about Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is a disease in which brain cells die, resulting in a decline in memory and mental functioning. Some symptoms of Alzheimer's disease are memory loss, difficulty in completing familiar tasks, and speech problems. To diagnose Alzheimer's, the patient must undergo either a series of neurological exams, blood tests, or mental testing. Unfortunately, no cure for Alzheimer's disease has been created. However, there are still medications to improve memory and possible behavioral changes. If you believe that you or a loved one may have Alzheimer's disease, please contact a medical center immediately. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a very important organelle that produces multiple things that the body needs in order to survive. This organelle is viewed as being helpful that all of its functions are positive, when really it could be a leading cause for Alzheimer's disease. This organelle has become a possible danger if it is deformed in the body, and no longer viewed as it once was. Once again, this is Cori McClellan with SHR News reporting from Lambertville, New Jersey. Please tune in again for more information on cells alive.